Okay, got another peanuts loaded up here. Okay, in panel 1, Snoopy, doggy, he's standing in the yard next to his doghouse and he's wearing sunglasses and he's throwing a disc, and in his mind he's narrating his activity. He says, "Here's Joe Cool sailing his frisbee." And then in panel 2, he is throwing another frisbee. In panel 3, it appears that the frisbee disc has collided with the ground and then bounced back up into the air. And he has an expression on his face indicating his confusion, I'm gonna guess. And then in the 4th panel, he's once again confidently launching the disc and saying to himself, "Joe Cool always spends the first 2 weeks at college sailing his frisbee."